Hello! I just finished making my Christmas cards for this year. I've been doing this since 2023. It's somewhat of a yearly tradition. This is the 2025 design. It says, "Hello, I hope that you are having a merry little Christmas this year." And it says, "Love Kurt," and it has a Spotify code that goes directly to my Christmas playlist when you scan it. Here I have the 2024 design. This one's Sabrina Carpenter inspired. It says, "Hello, there's red and green everywhere, so I hope you're not feeling blue. Love, Kurt." And that's from the song Cindy Lou Who from her Fruitcake EP. And then here I have my first ever Christmas card that I made. It's from 2023. It's Midnight's themed. It says, "It's me, hi, hoping that you're having the best days," and in parentheses, "and midnights this holiday season. Love, Kurt." And they're all Snoopy themed because in my head, Snoopy is the epitome of coziness, and there's nothing better than a cozy Christmas. And yearly I give them out to my friends. So this year I made 20 copies. Last year I made 15, and in 2023 I made 10 copies. Oh, speaking of friends, I'm gonna see them 2 days from now, so here's a clip of them being messy. $199? Betul?
又开始刷长
Stabilizer.
不能开外面 Cucumber bits
Here down. Here down.
Not too much
Sabi.
有员工站在吧台后面陪现场
I like this fucking stabilizer, no? Lahat kasi ng simbang gabi, minom nila ng, di ba ang simbang gabi lagi? Isang the night before, like evening, kasi isang madaling araw.
Can I take a bite?
The way walang palaman yun. Tinapay lang.
May nakuha ko ba? Hindi ko kasi Taiwan.
Vietnam doon.
Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka. Thailand.
Lahat cultural diversity.
Nakaback siya.
Sa ganun pa yun.
Open na!
Ano, sorry.
Okay.
Is this food? Doon ako na. Is this food?
Not that serious.
May star. Snoopy.
Stupid.
Happy Christmas. Dyslexic na anak ko.
Ang cute.
Thank you, Kurt.
Yeah.
Ay, meron pala. Sige, I was focused on the food.
Ayun, cute.
That's sweet.
Wait, okay ka. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Huwag gagalaw.
Stop! Clap! Where's Dylan? Where's Dylan? Paulit-ulit na lang?
Naliligo na kami kay Dylan. Walang nagkakaroon. Ay, ako, Beth. Kuya Adam. Adam.
Isa rin regalo mo sa mga nabunot mo na?
What?
Can you say
Saan nabunot mo na ikaw nagregalo?
Kuya?
Si Dylan.
Kasi Dylan.
I'm tired. Yan, yung serve. Chicken.
Wait lang, hindi ko alam. Pamalin meron ba?
Yeah.
Ano to?
Shorty dyan.
Ilan pa ba kailangan? Ilan na yan?
Kay Vic o kaya kay Dylan.
Yay!
Ano to? Hindi ko na nakita kay Mama Lin.
Wala yung bata.
Madaling araw nagbalot si Mama Lin para tulog ka eh. Hindi daw alam ni Ken ang regalo niya.
Dylan! Present.
Vic, kay Pina pala din.
Where is Dylan?
Kuya Kurt.
Thank you, Mama!
Yay! Parehas! Parehas na parehas!
Ate Grace.
Identical. Yay! Thank you, Tita Mario. Meron pa.
Sa akin.
Yung kay Tita Mario na si Mama nagbalot.
Nagpapadi lang.
Ay, Dylan!
Okay na.
Ako yung bike ng papa.
Atachi Cage! Number 59!
Mother's Love. From Mama. Hey, bali mo. Photo shirt.
Yan, Ray.
Ano naman nun, Ted?
Thank you, Mama. Wala yan sa'yo.
Kunting golden.
Wow! Yeah! Thank you! Puro dami.
First one.
Uy!
Kumot. Gagawin na.
Binili mo yung hindi binili ni Tita Mario. Thank you, Nina! Let's go!
Kasama kasi daw mag-Ireland ka.
Ang dami ng
Mag-Ireland ka.
Galing kay Amalin. Tatlong trip. Hey, gininang.
Yes, thank you, Kurt. Ano sa inyo yan? Meron pa akong ganyan eh. Ano, sir? Ah, shirt ko ah.
Hindi ka daw po.
Yan di ba yung galing sa akin? Ayan yan. Careful. Ay, sorry.
Yay!
Wow!
May iPad si Dylan. Wala na, hindi na ako pinapansin dahil.
Yeah, ma.
Ano ni Dylan yung camera? Oo.
Pagkain lang.
Wow. Nagawan.
Water yan, ilalagay mo water. Harry Potter, yung map. Nire-create ko to nung grade 7 ako eh. Nabahay ko yung Yung pala may printer pa tayo. Thank you, Tita Mariel.
Ma!
I'm gonna open this shit.
Say, Mommy.
Merry Christmas po.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ang saya namin dito. Ang dami nilang
Oh, we are so back. We are so back. We are so back. We are so back. We're so back. We're so back.
Nag-wishlist yan tol sa school. Ah, twins? Oo. Wala daw siyang maisip eh. Umayos ka naman ng ganyan. Ganyan.
Wow! Wow! Hindi na baby. Wow! Dami tao eh. Neng! 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 Uy, Kisha, nagkalat ka ba dyan ah? Tinang may batin ako.
Adam and
And that's that new espresso.
Talaga siya. Dylan. Nung first Christmas namin talagang baby tulog lang. Mama pa siya. Ngayong Christmas
Video mo.
Ngayon nakakalaro na talaga natin. Big, ang sarap.